There are many ways to make $1,000,000, and the specific approach that will work best for you will depend on your skills, talents, and resources. Here are a few general strategies that can help you to make $1,000,000. Start a successful business. One of the most common ways to make $1,000,000 is to start and grow a successful business. This can involve developing a unique product or service, building a strong brand and customer base, and continuously innovating and improving your offering. Invest in assets that appreciate in value. Another way to make $1,000,000 is to invest in assets that are likely to appreciate in value over time. This can include stocks, real estate, or collectibles. It's important to do thorough research and consider the risk and potential return of any investments you make. Save and budget carefully. Building wealth often requires a long-term perspective and a commitment to saving and budgeting carefully. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income and minimizing unnecessary expenses, you can gradually build up your savings and invest in assets that can generate returns over time. Develop a high-paying skill or expertise. Another way to make $1,000,000 is to develop a high-paying skill or expertise that is in demand. This can involve getting a specialized education or training, or building up a strong track record and reputation in a particular field. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube has become a popular platform for creators to make money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. If you have an engaging personality and can create compelling content, you may be able to build a large following and make $1,000,000 through your YouTube channel. It's important to note that making $1,000,000 is a significant accomplishment and requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to making $1,000,000, and it may involve a combination of the strategies mentioned above. What businesses have been growing rapidly in the last few years? Some industries that have seen significant growth in recent years include technology. The technology industry has seen rapid growth in recent years, with companies specializing in areas such as software development, cloud computing, and data analytics experiencing particularly strong demand. E-commerce. The rise of online shopping has led to rapid growth in the e-commerce industry, with businesses that sell products online seeing particularly strong demand. Healthcare. The healthcare industry has also seen strong growth in recent years, with the aging population and advances in healthcare technology leading to increased demand for healthcare services. Renewable energy. As concerns about climate change have increased, the renewable energy industry has seen rapid growth, with businesses specializing in areas such as solar and wind power experiencing strong demand. Cannabis. The legalization of cannabis for medical and recreational purposes in many states has led to rapid growth in the cannabis industry, with businesses specializing in the production and sale of cannabis-based products experiencing strong demand. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and there are many other businesses and industries that have seen significant growth in recent years. How can I make money in the healthcare industry as an entrepreneur? There are many ways that you can make money in the healthcare industry as an entrepreneur. Here are a few ideas. Develop a healthcare product or service. One way to make money in the healthcare industry is to develop a product or service that meets a specific need or solves a problem. This could be a medical device, a software solution for managing patient records, or a telemedicine platform for connecting patients with healthcare providers remotely. Start a healthcare consulting business. Another way to make money in the healthcare industry is to start a consulting business that helps healthcare organizations to improve their operations and efficiency. This could involve providing advice on financial management, regulatory compliance, or strategic planning. Create a healthcare-focused app. There is a growing demand for healthcare apps that can help people to manage their health and wellness, and creating a healthcare-focused app could be a lucrative business opportunity. Examples of healthcare apps include fitness tracking apps, medication reminder apps, and symptom checker apps. Develop a healthcare-focused e-commerce business. Another way to make money in the healthcare industry is to create an e-commerce business that sells healthcare products such as supplements, medical equipment, or natural remedies. Provide in-home healthcare services. There is a growing demand for in-home healthcare services, and starting a business that provides these services could be a profitable opportunity. This could involve providing services such as nursing care, physical therapy, or companionship for seniors and other individuals who need assistance. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and there are many other ways that you can make money in the healthcare industry as an entrepreneur. It's a good idea to do market research and identify a specific need or opportunity that you can address with your business.